February 1994, Test 10, Section 2, Game 2, questions 6 through 12. 6 reviewers, F, G, H, J, K, and L, 6, will review 4 movies, M, R, S, and W. Each reviewer reviews exactly 1 movie, and each movie is reviewed by at least one of 6 reviewers. So what I know is that there's 6 people, there's 4 movies, 2 movies are going to be reviewed twice. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a little box under there. Now I'm going to look at the rules. H reviews the same movie as Frank. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to put H, put F, I'm going to box them in, which means they have to go together. But I don't know if they go on the top or the bottom or if it matters, so I'll just put a little sign that they're interchangeable. L reviews the same movie as exactly 1 other reviewer. Now we just talked about the numbers in math, and we said that 2 movies have to be reviewed by 2 people. So what we know here is that those 2 people are H and F and L and somebody. George reviews mystery. So there's 1 place that H and F cannot go. Jackie reviews either mystery or else wolves. So I know that J can go here, which means that H and F has to go here, or H and S have to go here, or H and F have to go here. So for right now, I'm just going to write J equals M or W. H does not review wolves. All right, that makes a lot of sense. So here we go. H and F can go here. H and F can go here. If H and F go here, then L has to be here or here. But if J goes here, then L is forced over there, and then we don't have enough spaces for everyone because nobody will be reviewing W. So the only place the J can go is in the W. And then we're going to put the H, F here. Now we need another board because it could also go there. So we're going to make a new board. Copy it exactly. All right, and then if the board was here, then if the L was here, then you have to have the K. And if the L was here or here, then the K has to fill this spot. So on this board, we can have the K sitting over there. On this board, you cannot have anyone else here or here. On the second board, the L could go here, here, or here. Then we could also reverse these blocks. So we could make a mental note of that and only have 2 boards, or we can make things less confusing and just make 4 boards. This is optional, that's up to you. I can solve these problems pretty quick, and I don't want any room for mistakes. So for me, it's going to be better to make 4 boards, and it's also going to solve the questions quicker. And that's it. We're ready to answer the questions. Question 6. If L reviews S, which one of the following must be true? So what we know is that we're talking about this board here where L is reviewing S and the entire thing is filled in. So that H reviews retreat. Yes. Jackie reviews seasonings. No. Carl reviews mystery. No. Carl reviews retreat. No. Carl reviews wolves. No. Answer 6 is A. And we're moving on. Question 7. If K does not review S, which one of the following must be true? So for simplicity's sake, I'm going to label these boards 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we are looking for a board where K does not review S. So that's going to be board 3 and board 1. And we're looking for what must be true. L reviews M. No. L reviews R. Yes, no. L reviews S. No, no. F and H review R. No, no. F and H review S. F and H and S. F and H and S. Answer 7 is E. It's correct, and we're moving on. Question 8. Which one of the following is a complete and accurate list of movies, each of which could be the movie that L reviews? So we know that L can review M, S, W, or R. So the correct answer is M, R, S, or W. E says M, R, S, or W. We're going to select E, and we're going to move on. Question 9. Which one of the following can be true? F and G review M. So we know that G can be with L or can be alone. So answer A is incorrect. We're moving to B. F and L review W. So we know that J has to be in W. Answer B is incorrect. We're moving to C. G and J review M. Well, we know that G and J can't review M because when they do, there's nobody left to review W or nobody left to go with L. So answer C, that's incorrect. We're moving on. Answer D, K and W, K reviews W and L reviews M. So we have K and W where that can't happen, so that's wrong. The correct answer has to be answer E, which is L reviews R and F reviews S. So L and R, F and S, and that can be true, so we're taking E as a correct answer for number 9, and we're moving on to question 10. Question 10, L can review any of the following except, and immediately when I read that I think, uh-oh, in question 8 we said that L can review M, R, S, or W. Is that wrong? Well, the answer is no, that's not wrong because we have to read the answer choices. So A says M with G. Here, L can review M with G, so that's not an except. A is gone. M with K. Now we know that they can't review, that L cannot review M with K because G has to be in K, and there can only be 2 reviewers in any given movie. So that is the correct answer. 10 is B. We're going to select that, and we're going to move on. Question 11. If K reviews the same movie as exactly one other reviewer, then which of the following is a complete and accurate list of the movies, any of which could be the movie that these 2 reviewers review? Now that's a mouthful, but what they're saying is if L and K are together, then what movies can they review? And the answer is L and K can review R, or L and K can review S. So we need an answer that says RS. C says RS. We're going to choose C. We're going to move on to question 12. Question 12. Which one of the following is an acceptable assignment of reviewers to movies? Now in the modern day test, this would be the first question after the game. In the older test, it's the last question in the game. So we can find this out. We're going to go and we're going to say A. Can we have G, F, H? So we have G, F, H, G, F, H. We're talking this board and this board. Can we have S with J and L? Here we can't have that, and here we can't have that. Answer A is incorrect, and we're moving on. B, again, we have GFH, GFH. We have KL. Here we have a KL. Here we have a K, and we could have an L. And then the last answer is WJ. B is the correct answer. This game is finished, and we're moving on to game 3.